Hi everybody, happy Friday. Alex here with Edina Realty. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day so far. I want to share with you something really quick. I had a listing go active today in Bloomington, super cute, 1 bed, 1 bath condo, and I got the video back and I want to share it with you guys. So quick shout out to Bill over at Sky Definition. I want to talk about photography on your listing really quick. So I think that we all know, we've all seen really great listing photos and we've all seen really terrible listing photos, right? And anybody can sit down and say, well, I hire a professional photography. And we all know that could be, cousin Nick who's being paid $50 to take cell phone photos. And you definitely want differentiation when it comes to your listing in terms of photo and digital media marketing. So Sky Definition is who I use for all my listings. And I kind of look at photography like you would look at granite, right? Like there's different tiers of it. And Sky Definition is definitely top tier photography. And what I love about them is that in their packages that I choose to do, we do professional interior and exterior photos. We also do drone, which is amazing, especially for acreage properties or properties in the city. And then they also do a videography. Video. So it's really awesome, and I want to share that with you guys because this one specifically came together very well. It really highlights the interior of the home, but also the grounds because it's a condo, so it's got great space, outdoor pool, tennis courts, walking trails, everything like that. So I want to share that with you guys. Also, I'll share a little stat with you. So there is strategy behind placement of photos when you go to look at a listing. At least I have strategy behind that. And what I typically will do is put the first, 5 to 6 photos as the highlights of the home. And the stat I'm going to share with you is kind of crazy. So again, we've all looked at listings that have bad photos, right? And I think that we can all safely say that if the first few photos are really bad, we're moving on, right? So the first 5 to 6 photos have an 80% view count, and after that, the view count drops to 50%. So what that means is that 50% of people after that point, they move on. So if you haven't brought them in, into and interested in your listing within those first few photos, they're moving on. So again, strategy, guys, when it comes to marketing your home, even in this, sellers dominated market, the marketing plan that you choose makes all the difference. So reach out if you have any questions at all. But like I said, check out the video below because it's awesome. Bill did a fantastic job. And again, just shout out to Sky Definition. You guys rock. Have a good day.